Peace be upon you, my brothers. We have C63 C-class. Not starting after the accident. We go to special faction. Teach in processes. Reset learned values. Enabling of engine start after crash event. Diagnostic system initializing. Not active. Don't worry. Press F1. Loading. Even if he saw, he would write equal to. Turn ignition off. Press OK. Turn ignition on and press OK. Now we try. Operate the car. In the name of God, engine start. 100% working. After programming, this is back sound. Who likes the sound of this car? Please subscribe my channel. Tell me in the comments. God bless him. Thanks for watching, my brothers.